Hi guys, Mr. Rivera here. Today we're going to see how to make plural nouns with nouns that end with F or FE. Let's get started. The first thing that I want you to see is that most of the nouns that ends with F or FE, you will need to remove that F and change it for a V. And then you can add ES like in the other plural forms that we've been seeing. For example, if I have one for singular, right? If I have one leaf, my noun, notice that my nouns ends with F. So whenever I want to make it plural, because I have many, I will need to make sure that I change the F, I drop the F, and I add V before adding ES. So instead of a leaf, I would have some leaves. Same thing with wolf. I would have one, I would say wolf, but it ends with F. So I would change the F for a V and add ES. And it would say some wolves. Wife, same thing. Notice that in wife ends with FE. So whenever you have these two together, then you're going to change the F for a V, and then because you already have an E, just add an S. A wife, two wives. Same thing with knife, ends with FE. So I'm going to want to change that F into the V and add ES. Knife, knives. If a word ends with two vowels and an F, then you're only going to add an S. Like, for example, chief. Notice that you have two vowels over here, I and E. So it would be quite weird to say sheaves. So you just need to add, instead of changing the F or V, you just need to add an S. Chiefs. Same thing with roof, double O, double vowel, and then the F. So just add an S. Roofs. Cliff, double F. And let's take a look at this. The same is true for nouns ending with double F. Instead of double consonant, double F. Cliff, add an S. Cliffs. Scuff, scuffs. There are some exceptions to the rules because English is crazy. And so these words specifically don't follow any rule. They just change differently. Like thief changed to thieves, leaf to leaves, like we just saw a few minutes ago. Belief to believes, giraffe, giraffes, and chef to chefs. Notice that I'm saying that they don't follow any rules because chef does not end with double vowel before the F or with double F, and still you're going to need an S at the end. Same thing with thief. Thief has a double vowel, but then you change it to V and then add ES. Those words are going to be kind of confusing, and there's no trick to them. Sadly, just like irregular nouns and irregular verbs, those nouns, in order for you to change it into plural, you will have to memorize them, okay? For the rest of the nouns, follow those two rules. Make sure that you wrote down this rule on your notebook that we just revised and this rule. So go back in the video, pause it, copy it, including those examples, because those examples may come as part of your exercises too. Today's assignment is to write the plural form of each one of these nouns over here. Cliff, half, wife, giraffe, life, calf, elf, loaf, knife, wolf. Be careful with the exceptions, okay? As always, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye, guys.